Since the dawn of time, engineers have been weaving tales of artistry and innovation. From small mechanisms like turning gears and unveiling bottle caps, to India's timeless architectural wonders and soaring skyscrapers, engineers continue to forge new horizons, crafting cities of the future. Every innovation is a result of an engineer who turns a dream into reality. From Kanyakumari to Kashmir, engineering brilliance is Aludecor's forte. We engineer the best-looking creations with sustainability in mind. This International Engineers Day, we're celebrating the engineering pillars who transformed our dream into reality. Aludecor, engineering history, today and beyond.